Hi, it's Denise Mai.
And I'm Mingo.
Today we're incredibly excited to be presenting one of our newest listings here at 1788 Gilmore Avenue in the heart of Brentwood. This building is Escala.
Developed by award-winning developer Lettingham McAllister, this unit offers 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, and rarely available 2 parking spots, and up to 930 square feet of living space.
You can use this incredible amenity room with tons of award-winning amenities here, including a sauna, steam room, hot tub, pool, gym. Everything you need is right here. But before we get to the unit, I want to talk about the neighborhood because this is the neighborhood you are buying into. You've got Brentwood Mall with tons of amenities, shopping, restaurants located in that mall. Not only that, Gilmore Skytrain is only a few minutes walk. Plus, you've got parks, schools, and everything you need just a stone throws away, and we can't wait to give you a tour.
Come on in.
Welcome home to your modern-day contemporary unit. As you first enter, you're greeted by this open concept kitchen. I absolutely love the island. These quartz countertop is such a beautiful accent to these white, sleek, modern kitchen cabinets. And you've got the beautiful backsplash to match. And you also have a KitchenAid stainless steel appliance package with gas range for those of you who are chefs out there. You also have a double mount under sink and these beautiful pot lights that really accentuate the whole entire kitchen. This kitchen is perfect for you and your family to enjoy it. As you transition now from your kitchen into your dining room area, you fit easily a 6 or even an 8-seater dining room table, perfect for those of you who love to host dinner gatherings or parties. And here is your large living room. You have these beautiful floor-to-ceiling windows that bring in so much natural light. You also have a double blackout blind upgrade for those of you who like a cooler evening. You also have bedrooms on both sides, which is perfect for privacy. And you also have AC cooling in this room. Not only that, right behind me is the beautiful backdrop of the North Shore Mountains, perfect for the Vancouver skyline.
It's all about the views. Welcome to the 26th floor of your personal private patio with upgraded flooring and unobstructed view of the mountains. For days like this, the white caps on the mountains are simply amazing. Relax in your own master bedroom with ensuite bathroom and 9-foot ceilings. Included is the upgraded blackout blinds, perfect for those who want to sleep in. With a covered balcony, you can entertain guests all year round and it's perfectly situated in a central location with all the necessary amenities such as your save-on foods and steps away from the Gilmore Skytrain Station.
This neighborhood is in the area of Brentwood, where Brentwood Mall is just over there, where everything you need in terms of restaurants, amenities, recreation, and more. Plus, you have parks, schools, and neighborhoods all around you, which is perfect for those of you who have young children. If you want to take a look at this amazing home, feel free to contact either one of us. My name is Denise Mai.
And I'm Mingo.
And we're more than happy to set up a private view with you.